What up, y'all? Welcome back to another one. I don't know what that is, but yep, it has finally came for the Altima. And looky here. Y'all see what we got in there? First time doing this, but I think I got all the supplies I need. I ordered this kit off of Amazon too. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description for the wrap and this wrapping kit. There's a tenon wrapping kit all in one. It actually came with gloves. I hope the gloves fit my hands. I hope I got enough knifeless tape, say 32 feet of it. Hopefully that's enough. I don't think it is, honestly, but it was expensive. So, but yeah, got a little cloth, clean everything down before you wrap, stuff like that. All this together, I think the kit itself was like 15, and just the smallest of the knifeless tape, that was like 15, but the bigger version will run you from like 30 something to 40 something. So I thought that would be enough. And then I got the Vivid gloss black wrap. Well, it said that it is Vivid. I was about to say the Vivid Plus gloss black. That's what it looks like on the outside. I'm hoping this work out. Like I said, yeah, we gonna see. I'm gonna try to get it started on the car and put y'all on the time lapse, set y'all up, and we'll go from there. All right, y'all, so here I'm just lining up the tape, getting my centerpiece out where I'm lining up with the camera that's on the windshield. What I didn't notice in the beginning, I put knifeless tape on both sides because I was gonna try to do the little dual strike. I was like, dang, I kind of wasted some knifeless tape. User error, like I said, first time doing this with a lot of that. But here, I started out trying to do a big piece. This is my first time vinyl wrapping. And like I said, the heat was extremely hot that day. And, you know, I was like, dang, I kind of messed up. I was trying my best to work through it the best I could, but it just was not working out for me. I got close. I got real close, but I think I stretched it a little bit too much, as you can see right here. And like, I started to try to trim it up, at least, you know, to make it a smaller piece so I can work with it. That ended up being a disaster. And right after that, the knifeless tape stuck to it. So I decided to try it over again, take a different approach, cut it into two separate pieces, smaller pieces where I can work with, since it's my first time wrapping the exterior. And it actually pretty much came out good. So I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit. I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the majority of the video, and then I'll hop back in later on. All right, y'all, so the hood is done. I got all that done so far. Man, it look good so far. The nicely tape got stuck to the first batch and it messed me all up. But overall, it's coming out the way I wanted to. I had to widen up the stripe. Ended up getting scratches on the hood, but like I said, it's all part of the game, part of learning. So I'll be cleaning those up, buffing them out later on this week. It'll be okay. So, but overall, I mean, the product of the vinyl is actually pretty good, but it's just dealing with this weather. Now I got to do this. I'm not even gonna stop, man, because I don't know when the next time I'm gonna have a chance to do this. I'm gonna see what this ring gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the back now. Go ahead, flip the car around, do the back, and go from there. All right, I just want to say to all y'all that's out here that's doing the vinyl wrap, man, I salute to y'all because this is not an easy process. Man, this whole entire day took me about 9 hours, I'm not gonna lie. All right, that's what I got so far. So everything's done on the back. I just got to do the back part right here. I do need to come back and add a piece right here. I cut that a little bit too short, but I'll either redo this piece, 9 times 10 probably end up redoing the piece, and then put it on here, make it straight with the rest of it. So, and as you can see, this is everything. I just got to come down to the back. Then next thing to be is the roof. But as you can see, if you see what I'm talking about, this side over here is a little bit off. So it might be easier to add a piece. I might just do that. Save myself some headache trying to get all this on. But I'm gonna put this phone on charge and then I'm gonna continue the rest and I'll show y'all the finished product in the end. See y'all in the field. Here's the finished product, everybody. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments.